What's happening? We back with another one. I done slid up the Red Breed. We're gonna check out some of these bikes. They have an event right now. Don't know what the event is, who it's for, or what it's about, but I know it's bikes here, so you know I'm out. Side for real of that. 2025, we all the way live. I told you I'm outside. I'm up front and center. New camera going crazy. I'm going crazy. Merch on the way. Motor getting built. Y'all already know the deal. So when y'all see me at that red light, just know I don't want to talk about it, all right? Because I'm sliding on shit. You on the side of me, you gonna get this smoke. Everybody getting this smoke. I got to get back in the seat, let y'all know where it's gonna be. You feel me? I'm tripping. When I come back outside, I'm tripping, and I don't want to talk about it. All right, let's just do it, huh? I ain't turning down nothing. You fast? Well, I'm gonna whoop your ass. You hear me? Nah, enough of me popping it, but I'm dead serious though. Let me catch you at that red light is going down. You hear me? Anyway, let's get into these bikes, baby. Let's see what we got here. Whoo! Going on, man? Outside. You know what's going on? My dog right here, huh? Chopper's outside.
Up from Ms.Showtime.
Okay, that's what it was.
I was motorcycle icon.
Is that right?
Icon, 80 years old today.
Okay, fill me in, because I didn't know what was going on. I said, I see bikes, I'm pulling up.
Yeah, she's one of the oldest female riders in the world.
Is that right?
In the world.
Damn, okay.
Yeah, from our black motorcycle set.
Okay, well there you go. He just schooled me. Look, I done learned something today. Hey, so wait, I heard y'all having something tonight though, that's right?
Tonight, yeah, we celebrating the new officers for 2025.
Right.
You know, I'm the new vice.
Congratulations, I was gonna say, yeah, okay.
But a lot of other clubs is coming out, they officers, we want to just meet and greet.
Yeah.
Just have a good time and just, you know, build this brotherhood for real.
Okay, bet. So we had the DTs tonight?
With the DTs tonight, we're going up.
All right, bet. We there. You already know. Chop, chop, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Sitting low, too. I ain't gonna lie. This shit low-key race ready. How y'all doing? Hey, I ain't gonna cap this joint race ready. Look, it's slammed. Look.
Bikes too.
Huh?
The female bikes.
Is they? Okay. Yeah, I like it. I like it. She got it on the floor. I ain't gonna cap. Look how low that shit is to the ground. This is race material. Like, I damn need to buy this bike from her. Let me get this. All we gotta do is put a motor on this thing and send it. You hear me? That's what I'm talking about. I can dig it. Damn, y'all see that gold package I was talking about on this joint? She said these is female bikes. I believe it. From looking at the license plate, I see the little rhinestones. She got that gold package though. Check her out. With the gold package, that shit is pretty tight, but I can tell the upkeep on that is something serious. But she got the whole gold patches though. Look at the bezels. She did that. Whoever she is, she did that. I don't think I can keep up though. Too much maintenance keeping up with that gold. Oh, I didn't even see these back here. Let's check these out. Okay. That old school daddy. Huh? Then we got this joint, that new school. Look at the cleaner on there. I can dig it. Check it out. I like that. I like. Y'all see it? I like that. On that 24 too. You see it? On the 24. With the ostrich or the, I think it's ostrich. Something like that. Ostrich. I see you though. Oh, we got another one. 24. This one's a CVO. Look, is that ostrich? Is that gator? I don't know. Is it gator? Ostrich? Something. I see you though. Okay, let me know what y'all think. Road glide, street glide, road king. 1 through 3. Put them in order. And then aside from that, y'all let me know. I also want y'all to let me know what y'all think about the 2024s versus like the 2022s, you know, the older body style. What y'all think? Which one actually looks better, the 2024 style now or the original, you know, the 2022s, it may look? I kind of like the other ones a little better, I'm not gonna lie, but I like the new ones because of all the new tech and all the, you know, upgrades they made on them. But that's just me. But I need both. That's just me. But what y'all think? Y'all get in the comments and let me know which ones y'all like most.
Y'all know who he is. Go CP, go CP, go CP. CP gonna bring it down.
Mr. Outside.
Hey, just like that. Hey. Oh, goddamn.
Y'all see what the fuck is going on in this motherfucker? We got Truth in the building. Truth with Mr. Outside. Fuck with us.
Yeah, we outside.
We outside with the OG. The old motherfucking G's.
Hey, we out here, man. Yeah, y'all let me in, so hey, we here. It's going down, man. What you waiting on? I'm waiting to see you get out there.
No, I'm chilling.
Huh?
I'm chilling.
They playing your music. This is your generation right here.
Oh, that was born in the 80s.
Hey, I'm trying to get you up. He said, nah, me, what you talking about?
10 years before, I was like 70.
Oh, okay.
70 niggas.
All right, let me know, son. He said I wait for the night, huh?
Tonight.
Yeah, that's your
Tonight.
speed right there.
Straight up.
Okay, bet. Let me know something. All right. We got Drew out here, boy.
Out here, man.
You ain't playing. Huh? You ain't playing no game.
Hey, you got some real motorcycle shit right now for Ms.Showtime. You know what I'm saying? Representing the culture, legendary 80th birthday. We out here.
That's what I'm talking about. Y'all heard it. Real legendary right here. Dang. Hey. Can't forget the bunions.
We want to say it's such a blessing. We're so thankful that you had us here for your birthday, so we want to do it a little bit like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, lovely Ms.Showtime. Happy birthday to you. And a many, many more. On your 50th birthday, we dedicated this song to you, and we're going to dedicate it to you again. This is just for you. As she passes by, there goes my baby. I say to myself, you such a lucky guy. Come get your wife, boy. To have a girl like her is truly a dream come true. Out of all the fellas in the world, she belongs to me. But it was just my imagination.
Hey, husband and wife. Husband and wife dancing right there. It's her bike too.
Running away with you. Soon we'll be married and raise the family. Oh yeah, a cozy feeling on me.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
But it was just my imagination once again, running away with me. Tell you it was just my imagination, running away with me. I went from cowboys to girl. You went from baby doll to boy. I went from cowboys to girl. You went from. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Yes. Wishing you many more.
Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie. I like they band. I like they band. I'm gonna have to book them for my mama.
Oh, yes, yes,
Come on, man. Let me see that.
Once again, give some time,
man.
love. Give a round of
Let me
applause.
see something, man.
Happy birthday.
Let me see something, man. Why you holding back on us, man? You holding back on us, man. You ain't turned up, man. You ain't turned up. Uh-oh. Get the feet going. Warm them up. Warm them up. Oh, there they go. We call that boy Jitterbug.
Hold on.
Hey, that's what happened when y'all invite me to the party. They didn't invite me. I just showed up. I ain't gonna lie. I just showed up. You know, I'm outside
Put
now.
another dream. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. We gotta sing it louder, y'all. It's too many of us. Let's go.
Happy birthday
To who?
Ms.Showtime.
That's right.
Happy birthday
on, Savannah. You're gonna take your time. Happy birthday. Hey, I feel like taking that cake. I feel like eating that cake. Hey, I feel like eating that cake. I feel like eating that cake.
Better watch out. Freeze might choke you. Happy birthday, Showtime.
Somebody start messing with your chips, so I gotta, you know, I feel like eating that cake. Best way to do it.
Don't say that to the wrong one.
Happy birthday, Showtime. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to get ready to party? Keep that bass line going. Y'all ready to get partying? Hey.